Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you this yellow eyeshadow look, perfect for summer or spring. Now the palette I did use to create this look was the James Charles with Morphe palette. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. First, I'm just going to prime my eyelids using the Morphe eyelid primer. Now picking up the shade B on a e.l.f. crease brush, I'm just going to be packing it on my crease. And now picking up a little bit of B on my Morphe M433 brush, I'm just going to be blending out this shade.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great.
Now grabbing Tune on my Morphe 441, I'm just going to be blending it above my crease. Now grabbing the first shade that we used, I'm just going to be packing it on my crease just to make sure that the yellow is vibrant. And blending it out, I'm just going to be using the Morphe 433 brush.
No point in blaming you, you did not know.
Now grabbing any concealer, I'm going to be cutting the crease using my Morphe 421 brush. Now grabbing the shade Canvas on a Morphe M124 brush, and I'm just going to be placing that where I cut my crease.
Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town.
Now placing B on my outer corner of my eye, I'm just going to be blending it with the Morphe 433 brush.
Like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.
Now grabbing any yellow liquid liner, just place that along the crease line. Now grabbing the Wet n Wild single glitter in the shade Bleach, I'm going to be applying it with my Morphe M508 brush.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere.
Now grabbing my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, I'm just going to be doing a small line to get it ready for lashes.
I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you.
For lashes, I'm going to be grabbing the J lashes in the style Gianna.
Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And this is the end result, guys. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I am planning on doing a giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers, so stay tuned. Like always, I do post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
No point in blaming you, you did not know.